This is the real Tom Rose, and we are simplifying something ugly, super ugly, into, it looks like, something slightly less ugly but still quite ugly. So it's going to be kind of hard to know when we're done here. But one of the things that I notice from the starting expression and I don't see in the final is numbers or variables which could be factored out. So if you look at the answer choices, you don't see any opportunities for factoring and eliminating. Whereas in the original, there's tons of opportunities. So we have, like, in the numerator, you've got an a squared term and an a cubed term, for example. So we could factor something out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of do a basic due diligence simplification where I'm going to combine like terms, I'm going to factor out where I can, and then after I factor out, then I'm going to cancel where I can. And hopefully that'll just leave us with something that matches an answer choice. So first, let's do this in two parts. Let's do numerator and denominator. In the case of the numerator, I'm going to see what I can factor out. It looks like we can pull out a 3 from both. Looks like we can pull out an a squared, right? There's a squared and a cubed. Looks like we can pull out a b, and it looks like we can pull out a c. So what that will leave is c squared plus 3ab. Let's check the answer choice and see if I can actually just cherry pick the right answer. I bet that one of these is the answer that has the c squared plus 3ab in it. Plus, seeing 3 of those is a good sign that we're on the right track. So there's your numerator. Let's just put the denominator right below it, actually, and we can make it into a fraction. So in the denominator, which I will do in a different color, looks like we can pull out, common denominator here is what, 3? Let's pull out a 3 from both of these. We'll pull out an a. We're going to pull out b squared, and we're going to pull out a c. So we're going to end up with 9 a b squared c, 9 plus 5 a c squared. So let's go ahead and make that into a fraction. And now we can cancel out a bunch of things. So let's go check the answer choices again, see if I can find something else. 9 plus 5 ac squared. You'll see that that's in this one and this one. So we're probably, I'm just making educated guesses here, but we're probably have gotten rid of a, c, and e at this point. And we're just trying to figure out what's going to be left over. Is it a and b, or is it nothing? So what cancels? 3 cancels, one of the a's cancels, one of the b's cancel, and both of the c's. So we're going to end up with a over b, c squared plus 3ab over 9 plus 5ac squared, which is the second answer choice. So we were right.